I didn't realise my feet and ankles could still be affected after pregnancy loss. It just wasn't something I was expecting or that anyone really talked about. But after going through it, I started to notice things. My feet felt different. They were more tired. Sometimes they were swollen, and sometimes my balance felt a bit off. At first, I thought maybe I was just imagining it, or that it didn't matter compared to everything else that I was feeling. But I've since learned that these changes are actually really common. During pregnancy, hormones like relaxin and progesterone start to loosen the joints and ligaments in our bodies, including our feet. And just because the pregnancy ends, it doesn't mean our bodies immediately go back to the way they were before. Those effects can take time to settle. I also didn't know what was considered normal. I had nothing to compare it against, and I felt like I had no one to talk to. I had swelling that came and went. Some days my feet felt flatter, like they'd spread out a bit. My arches ached after walking or standing just for a little while. And honestly, I just felt clumsier than usual, like my balance hadn't caught up with the rest of me. It was so frustrating, and I wish someone had told me it was okay to feel that way. Eventually, I started looking for ways to ease the discomfort, and there were a few things that actually helped. Resting and elevating my feet when I could. I chose better shoes that were softer and more supportive. I also avoided standing for too long on hard floors. Even little things like rolling a tennis ball under my foot gave me some relief. I also tried some compression socks, which helped with the swelling too. One of the most important things that I did learn was that I didn't have to wait it out or ignore it. The foot and ankle pain I was experiencing seemed so small in the grand scheme of things, but it really affected how I moved. It affected how I slept and how supported I felt within my own body. And when you are going through something as big as pregnancy loss, every little bit of support counts, even the kind that starts with our feet.